So I'm recording this through my upstairs window, but my horses really love snow. Well, Casey does. Casey is mine, in black and white. And oh my god, Shiloh. Shiloh is my sister's. She's the tan one. Casey's a boy. And Casey loves to be a little rompus, if that's a word, but he's been running by Shiloh and biting her in the butt. You can see a tuft of hair sticking out of her, like top of her tail. And he's been pawing, like Shiloh is, at the snow, and then laying down and rolling in it. Look, there he goes. You're so silly. Casey's a little bit of a brat, but I think it's funny. I mean, Shiloh's not gonna die. Look at, just tried to kick him in the face. But yeah, Casey keeps yawning. He's tired. That is actually scary. I've never seen him open his mouth that much. What does he do? Oh my god. I think he's trying to catch snowflakes with his tongue. Legit, that's what he's doing. Yeah. They've just been building this little, like, they just keep digging in that one area. They're just trying to, like, oh, there's Shiloh. That's what they do. They just lay down and start rolling. Oh no. Casey just really wants to play, and Shiloh just wants to chill in the snow. There he goes. Casey loves the snow. Casey also loves to eat hats. Hit one off my head once. Oh, Jesus! Shiloh's getting really annoyed. This actually feels really nice. I mean, it's like -10 or something, and we're supposed to get, what, like 14 inches of snow? I'm in Iowa, by the way, in case you haven't noticed the farm animals. Snow likes to both eat. Oh my god. Oh, Shiloh's gonna give him a taste of his own medicine there. This is adorable. I don't know why she doesn't just kick him. I think Casey knows what she's trying to do. He's just being a little turd and teasing her. Shiloh acts like a princess, so of course she's not having it. Whoa. She's really trying to go for it. Casey just wants her to run with her. Casey just wants to play. I'm just trying to be quiet because I know they can hear me. They have really good hearing. You can just keep seeing their ears moving. I'm shaking, it's cold. think they're done. At some point, Casey has to get tired. Oh, Shiloh's sneaking up on him. Yeah, now I just think she's sniffing his butt. Nature's beautiful. Okay, I'm done.